Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a RedNote account and get started. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, you ought to open up your Play Store and App Store and just download the RedNote app. Okay. Go and find RedNote. Just type it down and tap on it. Okay. Make sure that you install it. And once it's installed, tap on open or find the app icon. Tap on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, just tap on agree, wait for it. Once done, enter your date of birth, then tap on next. Okay. Skip if you want to. Wait for the next page. Now tap on other login methods. And here select Facebook or Gmail. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and select Gmail, agree, wait for it, and just select from one of your Gmail accounts on your phone. Okay, hit on continue. It says here signing you in, just wait for it. As you can see here, it's now loading. If you want to allow the access for your contacts, just tap on allow. If not, don't allow. All right. If you want to turn on auto translation, turn it on. If not, just tap on later. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. And here you have your account. Okay. When you tap on me right here, as you can see, as easy as that, we now have a RedNote account. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.